Question number 7. When a solution containing W gram of urea in 1 kg of water is cooled to minus 0.372 degrees Celsius, 200 gram of ice is separated if Kf for water is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. W is, option given are A, 4.8 grams, B, 12.0 gram, C, 9.6 gram, and D, 6 grams. Right. So therefore, the first one is the mass of water that has been present. So therefore, the mass of water present in solution after freezing. So that would be as 1000 gram of water, that is 1 kg of water was taken, out of which 200 gram of ice has been separated. So therefore, the amount remaining with us is 800 gram of water, right? So therefore, the second point that we need to know is about the delta TF, and that is equal to Kf into molality. Now, when we are speaking about molality, M is equal to, that is nothing more than the moles of solute divided by the weight of solvent, right? So therefore, M is equal to, let's say, W is the weight of solute over M, right? Now, the whole thing that what we have is going to be divided by the weight of the solvent, the whole thing divided by 1000, because we have to take it in form of a kg, right? So let's take this and proceed further. So therefore, delta TF is equal to Kf into, now what we have is the weight of solute divided by molecular mass into 1000, the whole thing divided by capital W, that is the weight that is going to be taken for a solvent. So delta TF is equal to 1.86 into, all right, so 1.86 into, now over here, what we are going to have is W, we do not know about that. Okay, so molar mass, M. Okay, urea. Now, as urea is going to be taken, the molar mass of urea is 60 into 1000, the whole thing divided by 80. Sorry, not 80, it's going to be 800. 800 is the amount of water that we are taking. Now, before proceeding further, delta TF is equal to, now, freezing point of water minus freezing point of solution, right? So therefore, what we are going to get is 0 minus of minus 3.72. So delta TF is equal to, now delta TF value that we are going to have is 3.72 degrees Celsius. Now, therefore, we have here delta TF is equal to 3.72. Now let's take this value, substitute over here. So therefore, 3.72 is equal to 1.86 into W over 60 into 1000 over 800. So therefore, W is equal to, now as we shift this up, that is 3.72 into 60 into 800. The whole thing is going to be divided by 1.86 into 1000, right? So let's take this off. Let's take this off. Let's take this one. Take this one out. So W. So when we solve it, it is going to give us a value of 9.6 grams. So therefore, the answer is the option C. Thank you.